First of all, I'd like to thank you all for supporting Amy and Dave. On this wonderful day. I'd like to give praise to Amy for her dress. I think it was beautiful. A little saying that we have, and it's here's to us, one and all, may we never want for anything. Me neither.
Tell her that I love her.
Well, good afternoon everyone, and a very warm welcome to Delamere Manor, and especially warm welcome to David and Amy. This is a very significant and important moment in David and Amy's lives, because in the time they've been together, their love and understanding of each other has grown and deepened. And now they've decided they want to live their lives together as a married couple. Your marriage is a partnership between equals, freely and openly undertaken, and a relationship based on love and trust. And may the way that you feel about each other at this very moment grow deeper and stronger in the years ahead. It is with great pleasure I can now announce that you are legally married, and you may share your first kiss as husband and wife. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Mr. and Mrs. Gobe.
I could have never have pictured myself 8 years ago being stood here today in front of all these wonderful people. But today is the day that I can honestly say I'm the happiest man that will live this planet.